Hi guys. So I'm going to talk about the CE5. What does it mean? Well, actually, people are having contact with ETs through CE5. CE5 are 5 protocols that are explained and put into practice by Dr. Stephen Greer. He's the father of the Disclosure Project. You know about him. So there are 5 protocols that actually help you out to make contact with ETs. Sounds crazy, I know, but I did it for quite some time. I can say about 5 years. I'm practicing it, but bit by bit, and it kind of opened my eyes. I mean, I saw things that you're surprised. I mean, since when you're gonna start practicing it and having results more and more effective, you're gonna start seeing things that they are not above from this world. So. This is it. It's for everybody to do. Everybody can do it. 5 protocols, meditation about 1 hour. I can advise you to do it about 5 times if you have no success, but about 5 times you can. I think you can easily put it into practice. So success, it's working. Definitely you should try it, and wish you all the best. We're gonna see each other again. I'm going to try to transmit my CE5 events with the group. So, see you next time. Bye.